rock bottles of her story. Deadpool, Forsyth, Boba Fett!
Oh, is it me? Well, here's my first issue. I barely even know enough about you to diss But you guys honestly think that I would screw this feud up and lose to the dude a huge toothy coochie chewed up? That's banana. I do damage when I brandish my katanas, man. I'll slice you up then vanish in my ladybug pajamas. I'm gonna become your Xerox of your papa. Doing temp work for Vader and odd jobs for Jabba. You're mad baggy. You're so flappy. Mad 'cause Sam Jackson killed your clone daddy. Somebody ought to put a bounty on that cake. Maybe I'll write a letter and mail it in your face.
I keep calm in a slave one, 'cause your style makes me space sick. And your bars like your old pal, cable fucking basic. I'll smack a merc in the mouth if he doesn't quit running that lip off. Bitch, who you calling clone? You're a Deathstroke ripoff. You sold Spider-Man's eyes and Snake Eyes is weapon. You got Wolverine's powers, man, your comic sloppy second. Dr. Kilbrew, dude, needs to go back to med school. 'Cause right now, you're no good to me, Deadpool.
What's that? A missile backpack? Well, I guess you'll be right if a fucking bird attacks. Presenting the most overrated character anyone ever saw with 5 lines in the trilogy. And one of them was...
I only need 5 lines, 'cause I look fucking great. You look like someone spilled lasagna on your face. But you're worth a lot to me if I bring you back dead. Schizophrenics pay triple, 1 for each head.
Who you calling schizophrenic? You got 2 different voices. You're like your holiday special, man. Full of bad choices.
You think your Jimmy Jonga's hot, but you couldn't be mild. You should have made the choice to ditch the prick from Van Wilder.
Those things about you go straight up abandoned. You let a Kiwi hold your gun and he fucked up your cannon. So maybe don't talk about movies, 'cause you got dick to say. That arm dart round Josh are no more far away.
I'm a legend, you're a trend. You ain't gotta have the skills I got. I'll beat your ass with one eye closed. Boba Fett he won, and I'll call dominoes. See, that's what I'm shaking. She prefers my Duracell to your Canadian bacon. I'll take a lesson from a genuine assassin.